I'm Poppy and you're watching Poppy Does Science. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a really simple experiment you can use to impress your friends and family. All you need is a candle, a lighter or matches, and a folded piece of tin foil. First, light the candle and let it burn for a few moments. Watch what happens when I put it out and bring the flame near to it. It relights without me even touching it. Let's take a look at what actually happened. You should be able to see that the flame travels along the smoke trail from my candle and relights the wick. When I put out my candle, the wick retains enough heat to continue vaporizing the wax, but not enough to burn it. This vaporized wax travels upwards with the smoke. Then, when I add more heat from my lighter to the vaporized wax, it ignites and the flames follow the trail of fuel back to its source, relighting the candle wick. Why not try this at home and see how far away you can relight the wick? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. Bye!